Hello everyone, this is for Melissa. These are my bad ducks. They just got caught in the wood chip pile. I have no idea what they were doing all the way over there. But here's some of my chickens. And it's April 17th and snowing. You see that? There's the bees down behind the straw bales. Oh, is she have an egg hanging out of her butt? Are you going to lay an egg? I think I've seen it all, Melissa. Where are my backyard chicken people? That's literally an egg about to plop out of this hen. It must have stuck to her feathers. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go so I can catch her and remove said egg. Hello, hen. What are you doing? Is something pulling at your tail feathers? I really thought you were supposed to lay brown eggs. I thought you were a sex link, but you might be one of my mixes. You want me to grab that for you? Come here. I was unable to catch her. We ran all over the place. But there's her egg. Beautiful egg. Here are the ducks where they're supposed to be, in the backyard. Not in the wood chip pile on the side of the house.